Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, how you can maximize your wealth while catching some much-needed shut-eye. Yes, you heard it right, becoming a billionaire while you sleep. Let's get started. First, it's crucial to understand the power of passive income. Passive income streams can generate revenue while you're sleeping, allowing your wealth to grow around the clock. Next, consider investing wisely. Make strategic investments in stocks, real estate, or startups. These investments have the potential to grow over time, increasing your net worth, even when you're catching those Z's. Another powerful tool is leveraging artificial intelligence to optimize your investments. AI-powered algorithms can help you make smarter investment decisions, maximizing your returns without the need for constant monitoring. Automation is key. Use AI-powered tools to automate your businesses or processes. This allows you to scale your ventures without constant manual effort, freeing up your time for crucial rest and relaxation. Lastly, consider creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or software. Once these products are developed, they can generate sales while you sleep, providing a continuous income stream. And there you have it. By embracing passive income, strategic investments, AI integration, automation, and digital products, you can pave the way to becoming a billionaire even in your sleep. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this information valuable. See you next time.